following two equations that you're given, and they got y1 is equal to that, y2 is equal to the thing. It says use a graphing utility to graph the two equations in the same viewing window. So I'm going to go to an application to graph it, and you're free to use whatever you want to use. And let's type this in, and we're going to type in over here 4. I see a parentheses. I'm going to type in ln, and some software likes the use of ln. This software does, ln2. And then I got plus the ln of x. I'll write that down for you. And I graphed it out. I see that. I don't want to do another equation, by the way. So let's pull this up. I'm going to put another equation in over here. New equation. All right, now you should have enough skills with logs now to know that these two things, they look equivalent. Like if you simplified those, you'd get the same thing in both cases, by the way, whether you expanded or contracted it. But let's see if they give the same graph, by the way. So natural log, and that's going to be 16 x to the fourth power, right? Now, they're different, by the way. I hope you realize that if I were just graphing out this guy over here, the domain of that thing is, x is greater than 0. And this one over here, the domain of this guy over here is all real numbers except 0. All right, so you have to start to realize, although if you manipulate these two things over here, they look identical, they really aren't identical. The domain of y2, again, is all real numbers but 0. The domain of y1 is all numbers greater than 0. They have different domains, so they're not equivalent. All right, we often think when we simplify things that they're equivalent, and they're not. All right, so just pointing that out over here, I kind of graph it out for you, but it's kind of hard to see if you're not doing it yourself, by the way. And the bottom line is it basically boils down to domain again, and that's what B is asking about. Why do they look different? Why are they not identical? Well, again, the domains are not the same. That's why they're not identical. Thank you.